How can eThread technology by Primo 1D help a company specializing in garment and textile manufacturing? Revolutionizing garment assembly with embedded RFID for faster, smarter manufacturing. Meet Christine Rose, general manager of a leading luxury textile factory in Portugal. Despite utilizing premium materials and advanced cutting techniques, her factory faces a critical bottleneck: the manual identification of each garment piece. Workers spend countless hours cutting textile garments and manually sorting and labeling every component: fabric panels, sleeves, and collars. This repetitive process is not only costly and time-consuming but also limits scalability and increases the risk of errors. Each day, skilled employees are tied up with these tedious tasks, driving up labor costs and slowing down production timelines. But a transformation is on the horizon. With the eYarn S tags from Primo 1D, everything changes. eYarn S is a textile yarn embedding a RAIN RFID tag after the laser cutting to identify the pieces and enable full automation in the assembly process. By integrating eYarn S, each garment piece now carries a unique digital ID after the moment it's cut. No more manual labeling. Automated systems instantly recognize every part after laser cutting, ensuring each component can be tracked, matched, and directed to the right assembly station. Sub-assemblies can be monitored and combined effortlessly, allowing a fully automated production line. Labor is freed from repetitive tasks, error rates decrease, and precision increases. The factory can respond quickly to new designs, handle complex patterns, and deliver higher quality at a faster pace. For Christine, eYarn S is a true game changer, and we're going for the revolution of the textile industry. She can now optimize labor costs, increase efficiency, and enable automated garment assembly, which is the future of the textile industry. With eYarn S, the promise of fully automated, intelligent garment assembly is realized, driving her factory toward innovation, excellence, and a more sustainable future.